What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 2017 Super Duty with 14,000 miles on it. It was brought to me for some maintenance, so I got to do the works, tire rotation, brake inspection, and oil change, and I've got to replace some filters for the fuel. This is definitely different from the previous model year. The upper filter, if you guys remember, we only had two, and the return line went on here and another line went onto that. So now they actually have a separate port for the return line in the fuel system. That's the one on the engine. And the one underneath the truck is definitely different. S.C. Johnson, a family company. But check it out. Totally different. Pretty much all plastic. Got a gasket you put on the little lid cover. But I'm going to show you guys how to change your fuel filter, the lower one, on your 17 Super Duty. Okay, guys. So if you're going to drain your water separator on your 17, you're going for the yellow knob and just keep turning it until water is the first thing that's going to come out. I've already drained this for probably about a few minutes and fuel kept coming out. It did not stop. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close that back up. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect your water and fuel electrical connector. So stick it in this nice frame in the hole. Nice hole in the frame, rather. And then around the perimeter of this filter, you got, I believe, 6 8mm bolts, and they are going to stay in the lid. Only 5, sorry. So this last one, I'm going to hold the filter up because it's going to come down. Okay, all the bolts are loose. I would advise you guys to somehow block yourself of contaminants because it's going to douche. Here we go. Really not interested in wearing diesel fuel the rest of the day because and just kind of yeah, I hope you guys got that all over my face. So in retrospect, this is going to be a real pain in the butt. Be prepared to get soaked. Okay, pause it. So I've gotten this down. You can see these indicators telling you which way to slide the filter out of the housing. See the feet on the bottom? Go back that way. So don't forget we got our perimeter gasket that I still have to carefully remove. So there's the bottom. There's our lower housing for the fuel filter. You are gonna get messy, so I'm gonna tell you right now. If you're gonna do this in your driveway, get some kitty litter or some floor dry and be prepared to collect a mess, because you can't just let the stuff go on the ground or go down in the storm drain. You have to collect this fuel. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up myself, but we're gonna be disposing of all this stuff in here, obviously, you know, with the oil recycling program. So we got our new filter. Obviously, I showed you guys that. We're gonna very self-explanatory. The filter, or I'm sorry, the gasket only goes in one way. It's just a perimeter gasket. Go ahead and press it down all the way. Make sure it's nice and flat. when I put these perimeter gaskets in, I like to look at the component like this, so you guys can see the gasket's the same all the way around. There's not a high spot here, you know, then you'll know you need to push that down. So you can see that gasket's all set to go. So we want to orientate this how we took it out of the truck. That's how it's sitting. We're going to take our new filter and removal, install. We're going to go ahead and set that bad lad in like this, and then just slide forward. So you should be able to dangle the lower housing on the fuel filter. And it is pretty much as easy as it came out. Just gonna go and get one bolt started, other bolt started. Just draw it up all nice and easy. Remember, they're 8mm, they're plastic. We're not tightening lug nuts here, y'all. Okay. That's not fuel, that's just nasty dirt and sand and shit falling. So we're going to go ahead and first probably should brake clean, because fuel probably got in that width sensor. So we're just going to go ahead and just give this thing a good brake clean, spray, douche, what have you. I don't want to see any fuel remnants anywhere. Get up in that sensor cavity. I don't want this dude to smell fuel, see fuel. That back on. Make sure to clean all these little cavities. You see these black little slits right in here? Fuel likes to collect on the other side where it's right by the fuel tank. So just make sure to clean all that out. You should be seeing nice clear white fluid dripping once you get all the fuel out, and you know that's brake clean. So everything's nice and clean. Now it's time to rotate the tires. Alright guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below, and let me know if you guys have changed your fuel filter on your 17 Super Duty, and if you got fuel mess and splashed in the face. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys.